Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair, and I hope you're all having a great day. Today, we are going over the symptoms of a bad fuel filter. What does a fuel filter do? The fuel filter's job is to prevent debris from reaching the fuel injectors, ensuring clean fuel flows into the engine. Depending on your vehicle, the fuel filter is either inside the gas tank or on the fuel line between the fuel pump and fuel injectors. A good rule of thumb is to replace the fuel filter every 50,000 to 100,000 miles. However, some newer vehicles are designed with fuel filters that last the lifetime of the car. Now let's go over the signs of a clogged or failing fuel filter. The first symptoms is check engine light. A restricted fuel filter can trigger the check engine light. Many modern cars have fuel pressure sensors that detect low fuel flow, which can cause a diagnostic trouble code. If you see the check engine light, it's worth checking the fuel filter. The second symptoms is rough idle. If your car vibrates while idling, it could be due to an improper air-fuel ratio. A clogged fuel filter restricts fuel flow to the injectors, which disrupts combustion and results in a rough idle. The third symptoms is trouble starting the engine. A clogged fuel filter can make it difficult for your engine to start, or it might take multiple attempts to fire up. If you're experiencing hard starts, especially in cold weather, your filter could be restricting fuel flow. The fourth symptoms is engine hesitation. The clogged fuel filter is engine hesitation, especially when accelerating. If your car stutters or struggles to pick up speed, it might not be getting enough fuel due to a restriction in the filter. Here is what happens. When pressing the gas pedal, the throttle plate opens, allowing more air into the engine than when this happens. The engine control module commands more fuel. But clogged fuel filter slows fuel delivery, causing hesitation before the engine responds. The fifth symptoms is poor fuel economy. A dirty fuel filter can also affect your gas mileage. If your engine isn't getting the proper fuel mixture, it might compensate by burning more fuel than necessary, leading to lower MPG. The sixth symptoms is unusual engine noises. A clogged fuel filter can cause strange noises, like sputtering or whining, as the fuel pump struggles to push fuel through. If you hear these sounds, it could be time for a new filter. A bad fuel filter can cause a lot of problems, but the good news is it's a cheap and easy fix compared to other fuel system issues. Regular maintenance can save you from breakdowns, poor performance, and costly repairs down the road. If you've been experiencing any of these symptoms, check your fuel filter as soon as possible and replace it if needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.